my people? Your boy Gizzy Credit here. Shout out to all of you. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Listen, shout out to all of you who log on to our every other Monday now podcast. Our last podcast was this one right over here, where we talked about are you having trouble updating your credit report? You know how you can see your Equifax, your Experian, your TransUnion sometimes when you log on? Well, we go into detail on this podcast right here. And got credit repair results videos. If you could see this one, removing bankruptcies, collection, student loans, charge off. You know how we do. Anyways, my people, I go by Gizzy Credit. The best way to contact me is right here. And of course, cafecito right there. Shout out to my customer Anibal, who sent us some cafecito money, some coffee money, and definitely appreciate it. Here's all my social media that you could find me at. Today's credit repair results testimonial is going to be about how we help the customer save money in interest. If you save money in interest because you have better credit, instead of paying 15%, now you're down to 6%. Instead of paying 11%, now you're down to 4 point something. You save money. Alrighty. So right now, before we start, I wanna be able to let you guys know that we definitely help out a lot of people in credit repair. And one of the main things that people come to us for is actually, some people are goal oriented. They want to achieve one goal, then they want to achieve the next goal, then the next goal, then the next goal. These people who came to me, usually the first goal was to refinance their vehicles. All right. Before we get started with the video, I want you guys to go to my website right over here, GIZZYCREDITTEAM. You're looking to going through my breakthrough business, my Facebook page right here. You log on right here. If you have your Experian or your Identity IQ information, you can go over here, have more information about services here. I know many of you find me on the YouTube video here. Oh, this was actually our last testimonial where we helped a customer refinance a home. We refinancing homes, refinancing cars. Listen, you're gonna get the education today. And of course, you can go to my Facebook, or many of you go there. And then my Facebook when I do the podcast. Everything that I write on my Instagram, it comes to my Facebook as well. So shout out to all of you. Right now, I'm gonna get involved with helping people. Let's talk about this credit repair result for a customer that we helped out over a year ago, July last year. Came to us. Well, we're gonna get to it. He started. I began my credit on November 18, 2018, and this is June or April. No, May. This was May. All right. So let's get into the testimonials. You could see right over here. The customer says April 15th, 2018. 2016 Ford Explorer Sport. Pay monthly payment $601. Finance interest rate at 15.69%. Cost of vehicle was $39,500. He even put a down payment for this vehicle at $10,000. When I spoke to this customer, he told me, I don't care. If I want something, I go and get it. And many of you are like that. Oh, I got the money. Let's do it. Customer makes very good income. He makes about $140,000. He's an engineer. But like I said, many people, smart people we've helped out, may not be as savvy as knowing where to go to get good rate or managing your credit. But let's continue. The other vehicle, April 15, 2018, he purchased a 2007 Dodge Challenger RT. Monthly payment $532. Finance interest rate 15.69%. And guess what? He even put a down payment of $10,000. So that's $10,000 plus another $10,000. That's $20,000. Okay. Now he financed $27,000. I began credit repair right over here, November 18th. As a 5/1 May, I saved $6,900 on each vehicle by refinancing from 15.69% to 6%. Total interest saved $13,800. Okay, give or take. But of course, he even, Visa Rewards credit card, 32% with other credit banks. I will not use those cards every day. Only need to keep them active. P.S. Because my credit got better, I was able to get all my accounts in one place with that one credit union that he used because his Equifax was late. But let's continue with his credit repair results. If we could see right over here, this is the car, the Challenger that he was able to get. Hello, Gizzy and John. I always keep you updated on positive changes because my Equifax is clean. Firefly Credit Union approved me to trade my 2007 Dodge Challenger RT for 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. So he got himself a fast car. Now the approval was 49,000 plus tax 53,000. I owe 21,700 on the Challenger RT. Here is the twist that makes me more grateful to have hired you all. Okay, before I started credit repair, I tried trading my RT for a Hellcat, but the dealer were only willing to give me $17,000 to $20,000 for the Challenger, leaving me negative. Okay, they would run my credit and see what I owe. Once they know that I owe what I owe, they blackball me, never giving me more than I owe. Due to my credit being clean on Equifax, Firefly approved the full purchase and the dealer has no need to run my credit for financing, not revealing what I actually owe. Nice. Now I will have my dream car in a couple of days, which is the Hellcat. Banks are starting to build relations with me, and it never happened before. You guys rock. Thank you personally, John, which is my business partner, for being there for me with Ally. Even though I have to wait until June 6th to see deleted late payments, I'm grateful. That's what's up. And as you can see, this is the vehicle. Well, he ended up getting this vehicle in June, the end of June, July. He got his Ford Explorer. And it's right here. You can see he got the Supercharger 6.2 Hemi. I believe this is a Hellcat, RT Hellcat. All right, so this is one example for you guys. I should have made this video a long time ago, but I only remember taking the screenshot because I was so busy. I wasn't able to do videos, but here's the proof of what we came through for this customer and this education. If you heard what he said, with how to go about not letting the dealership know how much you owe, you get the financing first, then you go to the dealer to do what you got to do. Many people do that nowadays. And of course, I have right here Jason, and I just finished getting off the phone with Jason. But Jason also got credit repair results, and this is right now in August. So not only is last year we helped this customer refinance, now this year we help another customer refinance. I wanted to thank you so much. You sending me to PenFed for refinancing vehicle, my work vehicle. My rate was 11%. They cut it down to 4%. Okay, so thank you again. They couldn't refinance one of them because it had too many miles. But let's go deep inside into, I just finished getting off the phone with him, and he broke it down to me. He said he was paying 11%, all right, for $600 a month. Okay, so 72 times $600 a month, that's $43,000. The cost of the vehicle was $33,000. Right there, he's saving, so it was the life of the loan, $10,000. You can see he refinanced it to 4.3% to a $513 payment. All right, but instead of getting 72 months, he got 60 months, and now he'll be paying for the right for the loan $30,780. All right, so remember the vehicle that he said he wasn't able to refinance with PenFed? Well, he didn't go to PenFed. He actually went to that same bank that he got the vehicle with, they saw that he had better credit. All right, he was able to refine his other car that had a lot of miles. All right, with the creditor, so they reduced it from 11.4% to 6%. All right, before he was paying 275 times 60 months, so that would be $16,500 that he would have paid toward the life of the loan. Now he's paying 253, and it's going to be only for 3 years, and he'll be able to pay $9,108. So interest save $7,000, give or take. Now, congratulations to these customers. A lot of people come to me and they want, fast credit repair results. They're looking to achieve a goal immediately, and that's the main thing that I tell people about being able to refinance and being able to do what you want to do. So if that's the main goal, boom, we're gonna position you to do that goal. Now, Jason Norman didn't start that long ago, but if you could see from the Thai, which was the other customer from last year, he waited 5 months, 6 months, give or take, to be able to get his dream car at a better rate, saving $13,800. So everything is achievable with your credit. Just be patient with the process, because it is a process. Now, I've had some people calling me, and I know you're going to watch this video and say, Gizzy, I need my credit fixed in 1 month, in 2 months. I normally say to people, listen, give us at least 3 to 4 months to be able to position you to do what you want to do. Give or take, over the 10 years, 10,400 customers that we've helped out, all right, give or take 3 to 4 months, people are able to see great results. We're able to position them to do what they want to do, whether it's to refinance their car, refinance their mortgage, get new credit, or even get a mortgage or savings in anything pertaining to credit cards, business loans, or whatever. Just be patient with the process. I'm not going anywhere, and you keep watching these videos because I know that you're out there, you're a customer of mine, and you're saying, when is going to be my turn? And when it gets to your turn, you're going to realize how things are going to change for you. When you achieve that goal, you're going to be like, wow, I achieved that goal. I can't believe it took, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, but still, their goal was achieved. So I just want to say thank you to all. If you want a quote for credit repair, of course, you can just email me. My information is right here as well. We work every day here at #GizzyCreditTeam. Sundays we take off in the mornings, but if you want to start credit repair, hey, we take our time and we set you up to start the process. So I just want to say thank you to all. Thank you for the cafecito right here, the Cash App. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of the customers that come through for us and trust us with their credit, and trust us that we're gonna come through for them. Just please be patient with the process. Again, I got a lot more credit repair results to go through to be able to show you. So I just want to say thank you. Again, the podcast that we did, all right, it was every week we were doing them on Monday 6 p.m. Now we're doing them every other week, and of course we'll be posting credit repair results, or even more, refinancing a mortgage, refinancing a vehicle videos, so I could be accountable for you guys, so you guys can see that this is what we do. Okay, mi gente, thank you very much. I appreciate you, and let's go. Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change.